Welcome, everyone. In this video, we're diving into the process of using the power of the undo command. Let's get started. Often, we update drawings without making a copy first. Then, we accidentally save the file after making some changes. Sometimes, we do a lot of work, only to realize later that we forgot to take a copy of it. Let's make some changes to this file and save it. Now, we have the option to undo our changes by pressing Ctrl+Z repeatedly until it takes us back to the initial stage. But what if we could go back to the initial stage without losing all the work we've done so far? First, save this edited version with a name like version 1. Once that's done, use the powerful undo command. Type the full word undo in the command prompt and hit enter.
This will show a list of options. There are a couple of options to play with. Let's use the back option in this case, which suits our needs. Select the back option and hit enter. Now, a prompt will appear saying, "This will undo everything." By default, the yes option is selected. Just hit enter, and it will take you back to the initial stage. Now, use the save as option to replace the old drawing with the new one.
Using the full undo command is a more powerful method compared to just pressing Ctrl+Z or typing the letter U. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.